So glad y'all are able to join me today. We're going to work on creating a wind chime, and we're going to use just a stick from my yard. And I'm going to actually use 2 sticks, but I'll try to do the first one on this stick. Okay, so here I am using this tray to organize my beads. I am going to put them in an order. I sped up my video because I didn't want to bore you with trying to choose which beads to use and the design that I was going to make. So I laid them out and kind of made a decision on the layout of my beads. I also found some beads on a chain that I'm going to use as well. And I just started laying out my patterns. And that is it. Okay, so I thought I'd show you. I have the first one strung. So I strung it on the gold cord. And I'm gonna cut it probably about, maybe four inches or so to give myself enough, tying, maybe 5 inches. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take it to the stick, and I'm just gonna tie it to the stick, just like so. And then it will just hang off of the stick. And I'll just make sure that I triple knot it. That way it's nice and taut and on the stick. So I'll just so there it is, hanging on the stick. And then I'll make another one, and the next one I'll hang on the same side, because we want to make sure that it's kind of matchy. So I'll hang this one here, and then I'll hang two of the small ones here, and then in the middle I'll put a strand of this. And maybe I don't know how, I was just thinking, how can I attach this to there, because it's gonna be, but I think I can do it. What I can do is I can take and put this ribbon or this cord through one of the loops here, and then from here we can tie that onto the we'll figure it out. Just get that through there like that, and just tie it onto the stick like so, and that way it's tied. And it'll be the centerpiece of the stick. All right, so tie it one more time just to make sure it stays nice and taut. And then what I'll do is, I'm gonna go back off camera. I'm gonna make the other one of this one, and then get my wire cutters out, and probably cut this one at the bottom, at the base of this right here. Take this loose here, so that you have this long, maybe I should do it right there. You know what, I think I'm gonna do it right here. That's where I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on the small one. Okay, so I will be back. Okay guys, so I finished it, and it turned out really cute. I'm gonna go hang it on I'm gonna tie my string to make my little hanger, and I'll hang it on my door so you can see it. Yeah, I think it turned out really cool. Cool beans. It turned out okay. So I'll be right back. Bye. So what do y'all think? I think it turned out really cute. It makes a really nice little different kind of recycled ornament type of wind chime that you can put out on your patio, or hang underneath your trees, or put in your garden. And it's just made from beads that you might have around your house. You could use some cheap beads from Walmart. I know they have little package beads in their craft section, or maybe some beads from the Dollar Tree. But I think it turned out really cute, and I'm looking forward to hanging it out in my yard. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure and subscribe. And if you want, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my beaded wind chime. Bye.